My name is Lily and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I finger detangle my hair. So if you'd like to see that, then please keep watching.
This is like a follow-up from my previous video. If you've not watched that video, I'm going to leave the link to it in my description box where I did the egg treatment. So now I'm going to show you guys how I handle my hair after doing the egg treatment. The thing is, after you do your egg treatment, your hair is going to be kind of brittle, and if you're not careful, you're going to experience breakage if you don't handle your hair with care. So I'll just be showing you guys what I do. As you guys already know, I style my hair with shea butter, raw shea butter. I'm just going to apply a little on the little section of hair I've got out.
So I first apply the shea butter on the end of my hair, then I work my way up to the rest of the hair. I'm going to show you guys a better view of what I do later on in the video, but for now I just want to show you guys what I do when I encounter a difficult tangle while I'm finger detangling. So as you can see the obstruction there, so instead of just dragging my hair until the tangle my hair breaks out of the tangle, what I do is when I notice any tangle, I stop my detangling, then go back to that tangle and untangle the hair before I continue running my fingers through it. So when I'm done detangling that section of hair, I twist it or braid it depending on the style I'm going for and move to the next section. Now that we have a better view of my hair, let me quickly explain what I mean. So the first thing I do is spray some water on my hair to get it damp. Then I take some shea butter, apply on the ends of the hair, then work my way up to the rest of the hair. The purpose of this step is to elongate the ends, because most times your tangles and your knots start from the end. So if you can get something heavy like a butter or a thick cream to elongate the ends of the hair, this will make detangling the hair a lot easier. So when I'm done applying the shea butter on that section of hair, I further divide the section into even smaller sections, then apply some more shea butter at the ends for that same purpose, then work my way up to the rest of the hair. Then I gently separate my hair. I cannot separate my hair strand by strand because that would just be too time consuming. But what I do is I try to separate my hair as much as I can. And if I notice any tangle or any knot, I stop the process of separating the hair and just go to that tangle or that knot and try to undo it. If it's something I cannot undo, I take my scissors, my pair of scissors, and cut out the knots. When I'm done detangling that small section, I take another small section from the bigger section and do the same thing until I'm done detangling all that section. Then I run my fingers through it again and twist it or braid it depending on the style that I'm going for. I did not speed up this part of the video because I want to give you guys an idea of how much time I spend detangling all my hair. I know that many people say that finger detangling is time consuming, and for some people it takes up to 2 days for them to fully detangle all their hair. But I noticed that using this technique and using shea butter this way that I've explained makes detangling a lot faster. So I did not spend so much time detangling my hair. When I'm done detangling all my hair, I usually have my hair in braids or twists, because I'm braiding or twisting as I detangle. So I'm kind of like detangling and styling at the same time. You can see I'm running my fingers through it again, and then I'm braiding the section, or rather I'm twisting the section. Let me also add that as I'm twisting or braiding the section, I still run my fingers through it just to detangle any part of the hair that I may have missed while detangling. So I repeat this process all through my hair until I'm done detangling all my hair. This is not a twist out video, but let me just quickly show you guys what my hair looks like after taking down the twist. As you can see, it's shrunken, like it's very small, but my hair shrinks up a lot, so that's fine. And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.